Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss about eyes and learn how to draw them from different angles. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we will start with a circle. Some beginner artists may think that an eye is flat, but in reality the eyeball has the spherical shape. We can use horizontal and vertical guidelines to help indicate the position of pupil. After that, we can draw the eyelid. Remember that the eyelid wrap around the eyeball. Now let's draw another eye from different angle. We will start with a circle and then add a few curved lines to establish the shape of the eyelid. In this drawing, you can clearly see how the eyelid wrap around the eyeball. And eyelid also has thickness and you can see it much more clearly in this picture. And you can also see that eyelid is wrapping around the eyeball. Now let's draw another eye using the same method. Everything is going to be the same. Next, let's look at the eye from side view. When you draw the eye from the side view, the basic construction remains the same, but you will notice that the eye pupil looks slightly more prominent or form a small bump. You can see it much more clearly in this picture. However, when you look straight into the mirror, it can be difficult to notice that shape. For example, in this picture, the bump is not very noticeable, but when you view the eye from the side view, you can see it much more clearly. Now let's take a look at how the eyeball are positioned in the human skull. So this is the human skull, and here we have the two eye sockets. The eyeball are positioned inside these sockets like this. Looking at the skull from the perspective can help you understand how the eyeball are placed within the eye sockets and how the surrounding structure affects the shape of the eye. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you and see you in the next video. Take care.